The Archdiocese of Los Angeles is the largest Catholic church or archdiocese in the United States. So, I mean, that's one reason we should be here. And most East Coast cities that are anywhere near the size of Los Angeles, you will have 5 or 6 universities and colleges, if not more, and often several Catholic ones. So we're the only game in town in terms of being a Catholic university. It's also one of the biggest cities. I think we're second largest in the United States, Los Angeles, and it's certainly one of the most ethnically and religiously diverse, which is another very important reason for being here. I mean, you know, when you look at the religious landscape in Los Angeles, you have every possible, you know, church and synagogue and temple and religious tradition present here. It's a wonderful opportunity for interreligious development, dialogue, which is so important today, and for real rubbing shoulders with representatives of other faith traditions. And then it's this enormous Catholic Church. There's probably somewhere between 5 and 6 million Catholics in the United States, and over half of them are Spanish speaking. So that says that we should be very strong in bringing a concern for the Hispanic community and for theology and dialogue with the Spanish community, with liberation theology, with the different cultural issues that Hispanic Catholics and Mexican Catholics will face. And we have a number of Hispanic theologians on our, Mexican-American theologians or Cuban-American theologians on our staff, so we do address that. And I think in many ways, you know, I think there's a kind of East Coast bias that I'm often familiar with when I look at speakers in a conference that, you know, you'd think the country falls off the map on the other side, the west side of the Mississippi, which is not true at all. I think there's more life in the church on the West Coast than there is in the East Coast. And that's another reason I think this is really an ideal place to be.